more storms and clouds thanks to our tropical moisture. Some heavy rain has passed through the area, and some of the storms today gave us a whole bunch of lightning and gusty winds. We're dealing with some storms on the North Shore now. The worst of the weather, though, is off to the west, pushing towards Lafayette and moving through Lafayette and towards Lake Charles. But a closer look at the storms in our area, we have some in South Mississippi, some heavier showers in Pearl River County, heavy showers and thunderstorms moving through Washington Parish into Tangipahoa Parish now. So all these storms are drifting off to the west. We've got some soaking downpours in Folsom. Parts of St. Tammany Parish, though, most of it is dry now, so it's coming and going, the rain. Rain on the South Shore from Houma through Terrebonne Parish, some soaking downpours and lightning within these thunderstorms. Heavier showers for parts of Lafourche Parish, Raceland seeing some pretty heavy rain. Same goes for parts of our river parishes, Des Allemands seeing some heavy soaking showers too. Closer look at the city of New Orleans and through Jefferson Parish, just some small downpours passing quickly through the metro area, but pretty few and far between. We'll see more rain in the forecast going into tomorrow and Saturday, courtesy of our tropical moisture. Live look downtown with our View Orleans camera. Lots of cloud cover, 79 degrees, not bad. Feels like 83. It is very muggy, so our feels like temperatures, of course, were still in the 90s for many of us today. So it's going to be warm and muggy the rest of today with mostly cloudy skies. We'll have a little breeze out there and a few passing showers and storms throughout the evening hours, but overnight should be pretty quiet. 1 or 2 showers, though, are possible overnight. Again, that's courtesy of this area of tropical moisture that has a low chance of tropical development. So we're still watching the northern Gulf, but this tropical disturbance really has a low chance of development. Pretty unfavorable atmospheric conditions, and it's going to continue to drift west towards Texas going into tomorrow and Saturday, but it'll just keep the moisture pumping into the northern Gulf Coast in the coming days. Right now, a weak area of low pressure is passing off through Louisiana, so it's going to continue to push inland in the coming days, and it will lose that chance for tropical development. So that's a good news for us. No risk for tropical development, but plan on some more moisture and some more heavy rain coming in periodically tomorrow and Saturday. Here's all that moisture continuing to funnel into the northern Gulf the next 2 days, but then things already change going into Sunday and Monday. High pressure will build back in over the deep south. We'll have some drier air pushing in, meaning we're not going to have much rain to worry about, but we'll switch over to the heat Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And we may do this once again where tropical moisture may ride around that high pressure and move back into the northern Gulf by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So we may do round 3 of this deja vu type of weather. So we'll walk you through the rest of your Thursday. Passing storms on tap this evening, very hit or miss. Pretty quiet overnight, maybe 1 or 2 showers overnight. Then tomorrow, plan for some more scattered downpours, some frequent lightning within some of the thunderstorms tomorrow, and gusty winds. So a few stronger storms possible throughout the course of the day Friday. The showers will be off and on, plenty of dry breaks in between tomorrow, but you may get some downpours and localized street flooding. Again, not a guarantee, not a problem for everyone, just something to kind of keep in mind on the back burner the next 2 days with the passing tropical downpours through tomorrow. And then again on Saturday, more scattered storms in the mix Saturday, lots of dry breaks in between. And then by Sunday, we're pretty much dry during the day, Sunday and Monday. Our risk for street flooding still remains low tomorrow and again Saturday, just a level 1 out of 4 risk. So pretty localized, isolated concern for that. Rainfall totals still look to be anywhere from maybe 1 to 3 inches. It just depends on how much rain you receive. You know, some of these storms can give some pretty heavy downpours in a quick amount of time. You may pick up maybe 1 to 2 inches in like 20-30 minutes. Some of us really might not see much. It just depends on where you're at. I did mention the high pressure is going to build back in, and that will give us some extreme heat by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. We're talking about our high temperatures in the upper 90s. So the actual temperature may get close to 100 degrees going into Monday and Tuesday. So we're talking maybe near record heat for us for a couple days to kick off the new work week. 97 Monday, 98 on Tuesday with not much rain. But then later in the week, make sure you stay tuned because we could have another batch of tropical moisture and heavy rain.